Hello, welcome back to my channel. I recently went searching for a dummy battery for my Nikon cameras on Amazon and came across this generic battery by TKDY Technology. In this video, I'll be reviewing this dummy battery I picked up on Amazon for continuous power on my Nikon cameras and share my findings with you. This video is not sponsored by the manufacturer, TKDY, or Amazon. And the review you're about to see is based on my opinion and my own testing. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, this is the box I just got in the mail. Here we have the power cord, dummy battery, and I'm sure this is the power adapter. Put it this way. And we have instructions or the user guide. So now let's take this apart. Nice pouch, by the way. So here we have the AC adapter, instructions, power cord. Now we are going to take out the DC coupler, that's what it's called, or in other words, dummy battery or continuous power. It is very important that you read the manual. This is the manual, and you have also the instructions, the installation. Of course, it depends on your model, and you have warnings section over here. So it's very important that if you happen to get one, then you would follow the instructions. Okay, so this is going to be very easy to connect. The dummy battery is around a little over 12 inches long, so it's a pretty good length. So we're going to connect this end to the power adapter. Of course, it's like so. And now we are going to connect the power cord to the AC adapter. So either way, it's fine. That's it. So now that we have everything hooked up, we're going to connect this to the wall. Okay, now that the battery is connected to the AC outlet on the wall or electrical outlet, I'm going to connect it to my Nikon DSLR camera. So this one is Nikon D5100 and this one is the Nikon D3300. Okay, so I'm going to try it first on this one. So the way you will plug it in is that the same way you will connect your regular battery. So just slide it in and look for that click sound, and then that you know that it's fully connected and secured. Now if you see this little lip here, you can lift it up, run the cable through, and then close the compartment, battery compartment, and you're all set. Now the dummy battery is connected to my DSLR D5100, so I'm going to turn it on. And here you see we have the battery shown here at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to go in live view. Not sure if you can see anything, but nothing much you can see in live view besides what I'm doing here, but still you can see also the battery level here at the bottom with the dummy battery. Okay, so in order for you to take out the battery, all you have to do is just shut off your camera and then remove the battery as you normally would. So open the compartment, press the yellow button, and now be gentle taking it out because the dummy battery has a cable and you don't want to damage it. Just pull it out gently and then close the compartment. Okay, so this one is the D5100. Now I'm going to try it on the D3300. So the same thing, open the compartment and slide it in. Just like that. Run it through, close the compartment, and then we're going to turn on the camera. And here we have the battery level up here. So now the Nikon D3300 is running with the dummy battery connected to it. So the battery is working on both cameras. So now I'm going to run a test on both cameras to see if the battery overheats. We'll be back. Okay, looks like 20 minutes have gone by and it's still connected. I don't feel anything abnormal. The battery seems fine, no heating up or anything. So, I mean, I can give it a thumbs up because it's working. Now I'm going to do the same test on my D3300. We'll be back. Okay, I've had the camera running on live view for over an hour, as you can see here. Over an hour, and the camera where the battery goes is not hot at all. A little warm, as if you had the regular battery on. When it comes to the power adapter right here, it's cold. It's not even warm at all. So it's not overheating after an hour. Again, it's you can feel a little warm at the bottom, but not that intense. It's very, very mild. You can barely feel it. I will give it a thumbs up. Last but not least, recommendation. Well, in my opinion, and based on the different tests I ran, I was satisfied with the results. So yes, I would recommend this product. However, a little disclaimer here. I will advise anyone watching this video to do your research first before purchasing any products, because what works for me may not work for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and be well.